Good morning, students. In the quadratic equation, I have completed the factorization method, completing the square method, and also the formula method. And in all the 4 videos, video 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever I have uploaded, I think 4 we have completed. Yes, up to 4 videos, whatever I have completed. Many of the problems I have solved in both the methods. Some problems are solved by only one method. Ultimately, I have given you all the structure, how the problems can be solved to find the roots of the equation. But my dear children, in the last video, I have done a small mistake. I am very much thankful to my students. So many students have commented, sir, this is a mistake in the video. I really appreciate because you have seen it and you identified the mistake. I was little worried you should not do the same mistake what I have done. But it's good thing that you have commented and told and keep on commenting. This is very important. My daughter also studying in class 10th and she told, Papa, this is the mistake you have done. Then all other students also they have told, I will rectify. Those who have by mistake written the same what I have written, my dear children, kindly change it. The problem was like this: 4x square minus 14x minus 8 is equal to 0. This was the problem, and I have solved it. This is absolutely no mistake. And at some stage I got x is equals to, it is 14 plus or minus 18 divided by 8. Up to here you can just refer the video. Up to here it was correct. Then when I am separating means I will take 1's plus, 1's minus. I can call it as alpha is equals to 14 plus 18, I can divide it by 2. Because since the numbers are 2, I have done a mistake, but it should be divided by 8. Okay, not 2, it is 8. And it is 32 divided by 8, answer is 4. And the second root, beta is equals to 14 minus 18 divided by 8. This is 1 plus and 1 minus, 18 minus 14 is 4, with a minus sign divided by 8, answer is minus 4. Right. My dear children, this correction has to be done. Okay. Now, after the completion of all these 3 types of problems in finding the roots of the quadratic equation, I am going for one more part. So before that, there are some more problems. Now I am going to do the problems. They are directly not in the quadratic form. The problems what I am going to give you, they are not directly in the quadratic form. First to bring them to the quadratic form, then factors. Okay? They will be under the heading. Okay? Again, the heading will be factorize. Okay. First, let me take the problem. X plus 1 by x is equals to 3. X plus 1 by x is equals to 3. See, this is not in the quadratic form. There is no x square at all. Right? It has to be simplified. Bring in the form of quadratic, then solve it. Okay? What I will do? In the LHS, I will take the LCM. LCM is x. This is divided by 1. 1 how much the x? X into x square. Or you can simply say x into x is equals to x square. X how much the x 1's are multiplied by 1 1's are 1 is equals to 3x. Okay? Is equals to 3. Sorry, is equals to 3. Okay. Now we cross multiply. You know that when you cross multiply, sign never changes. Sign will not change. It is x square plus 1 is equals to 3x. Cross multiply. Now I will bring it to the LHS. X square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay? Now, listen to students. If you multiply, you should get 1. If you add, you should get 3. Sometimes you may find difficulty in getting the middle terms. My dear children, whenever you are finding difficulty in getting the middle terms, go for the formula method. Go for the formula method. Come on. I will start. Formula method is x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. I am repeating you once again, whenever you are finding difficulty in getting the middle terms, the formula method is a rescue for you. Okay, come on. I will write here what are ABC. A is equals to 1, B is equals to minus 3, C is equals to 1. Okay, formula minus from the formula B. B is again minus 3. This minus from the formula B value is again minus 3. It is minus of minus 3 plus or minus under B square minus 3 the whole square minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into A. A is 1 into C. C is again 1 whole divided by 2A. 2 into A value is 1, which is equals to minus of minus is plus 3 plus or minus under 3 square is 9 minus 4 ones are 4 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equals to 3 plus or minus under root 5 divided by 2. From there, I can find two roots. Alpha is equals to 3 plus root 5 divided by 2 and beta is equals to 3 minus root 5 divided by 2 are roots of the equation. So, whatever the equation is given, first you simplify, bring in the quadratic form. Then, if you are unable to find the middle terms, we can go for the formula method. This is how we can solve the problem. Let me go for one more problem for you. 1 divided by x minus 2 minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is equals to say 6 by x. You can try. Okay. 1 divided by x minus 2 1 maybe plus okay is equal to 6 by x. Okay, if it is minus or doesn't matter, we can start solving. But only thing you keep in mind, whenever you are finding difficulty in getting the middle terms, go for the formula. Yes. Let me start. Take the LCM. It is x minus 2 into x minus 1 are the middle terms. Come on. See, this denominator, this LCM. This denominator, this LCM. Compare this and this. These two are same. X minus 2, x minus 2. With this term, we will multiply here. That is 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1. The students who don't know about this, once again listen to me. This is what is LCM. This is the denominator. Denominator and LCM has to be compared. X minus 2 same. This is extra term. With this extra term, you multiply this 1 into x minus 1 gives you x minus 1 plus this denominator, this LCM compare. This and this are same. With this, you multiply this 2 into x minus 2 plus 2 into x minus 2 is equals to 6 by x. Come on. X minus 2 into x minus 1. You can simplify this. X minus 1 plus 2x minus 4. Some of the students are making the mistake. What they are doing? With 2 they are multiplying to x, 2x and they will keep minus 2 as it is. No, this is monomial into binomial. 2 into x, 2x plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 is equals to 6 by x. Okay, this is binomial into binomial. Multiply binomial into binomial. How to multiply? Start with x. X into x, x square. X into minus 1, minus x. Start from here. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 gives you plus 2. Okay? Whereas in the numerator what happens? X plus 2x gives you 3x. Minus 1 minus 4 gives you minus 5 is equals to 6 by x. Is equals to 6 by Okay. Now it is 3x minus 5 divided by, if you simplify this, see, you can simplify these two. Minus 1x minus 2x, minus 1x minus 2x, minus 3x, adding, and both are minus, add it, minus 3x. So it is x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 6 by x. Now you can cross multiply. Okay, x into 3x minus 5 is equals to 6 into x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. It is again monomial into binomial. X into 3x square, x into minus 5x is equals to. It is monomial into trinomial. Come on, 6 into x square, 6x square. 6 into minus 3x, minus 18x. 6 into 2 is 12. What are we doing now? Here also the x square term is there. Here also the x square term is there. But bigger number is here compared to these two. I will transfer these two terms to the RHS. Both I will shift to there. So 0 is equals to, I will shift these to RHS. 6x square minus 18x plus 12 minus 3x square minus 3x square. Then transfer this to RHS plus 5x plus 5x. Okay, is equals to 0. Come on. 0 is equals to 6x square minus 3x square. Like terms. That gives you 3x square minus 18 plus 5x. See, 1 plus 1 minus bigger number minus smaller number. 18 minus 5 is equals to 13 with a sign of the bigger number. It is minus 13x. See, 1 plus 1 minus, don't see the sign. 18 minus 5, 13, give the sign of the bigger number. Okay. Plus 12 is equals to 0. Plus 12 is plus 1. Okay. Now, come on. Okay. I can write it like this. Therefore, 3x square minus 13x plus 12 is equals to 0. Okay. I will bring that to the RHS. Okay. Now, if you multiply 36, if you add 13, if you multiply 36, if you add 13, if you get the middle terms, well and good. If you are not getting, go for the formula. But I am getting the middle terms here. Middle terms are 9 and 4. See, on adding 13, on multiply 9 4s are 36. But which sign? Which sign? Last sign is positive. Means either both are positive or both are negative. This sign is negative, so both terms should have a negative sign. Come on. 3x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. Grouping 3x common, bracket x minus 3 minus 4x common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. My dear children, repeatedly I am telling you, whenever the minus is common, sign will change, this plus will become minus, because minus and minus is equals to plus. Okay, you can see that these two terms are what? Same. It is x minus 3 into 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0. 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. So I can say that x is equals to 3, and I can say 3x is equals to plus 4. Therefore, x is equals to 4 by 3. That is the end of problem. Let me solve one or two problems for your practice. First, you note this. Okay, students, here there are two more problems for your practice. I will explain them, and those who have fully understood, You can pause the video, solve yourself and compare the answers. Okay. Let me simplify the LHS. Here LHS have two different denominators. One is x and one is 1. Both are the denominators. Let me take the LCM. See, here I will tell you one thing. Some students are making a confusion, and what they will do, they will directly cross multiply. Is not possible when two different denominators are there. It is possible when if it is like this, 4x or 4x minus 3 by x. If entire numerator has a single denominator, then you can cross multiply. Here there are two different denominators. The LCM, the cross multiplication is not possible. Okay, LCM x. Compare, same, multiply by 1. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. Minus 1, how much is 1 x is up, multiply by x. 3 into x is equals to 3x is equals to 5 by 2x plus 3. Come on. Now you can cross multiply. See, entire numerator has single denominator, entire numerator has a single denominator. Okay, now cross multiply. It is 4 minus 3x into 2x plus 3 is equals to 5x is equals to 5x. This is binomial to binomial. Start from here. 4 into 2x, 8x. 4 into 3 plus 1 minus 3x into 2x minus 6x square minus 3x into 3 minus 9x is equals to 5x is equals to 5x. Okay, let me simplify. Plus 8x minus 9x, it is minus 1x. See, 1 plus 1 minus bigger number minus smaller number means 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. Give the sign of the bigger number. It is minus x. Let me mark this. Okay. Minus x plus 1 minus 6x square is equals to 5x. My dear children, now this first term is x square because quadratic. It is a negative sign. So I will transfer all these terms to the RHS. What happens then? Since x square term is negative, I will shift all the terms to RHS, and what happens? It will be 0 is equals to this entire portion is transferred to the RHS. So 5x, or you can here RHS, this shifted to that plus x, shifted to that minus 12, shifted here to RHS plus 6x. Okay, simplify. It is 6x square plus 6x minus 12 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. I can take 6 as a common. X square plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. X square plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. Where the 6 will go? This will go to the denominator of the RHS. 0 divided by 6. It will 0 only. After that, don't ask where this 6 has gone. This 6 will come like this, divided by 6. Okay? It will be, entire portion will be 0. No need to write. Okay? I will write down, therefore, x square plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. This will come here. Okay. If you multiply 2, if you subtract 1, if you multiply 2, if you subtract 1, middle terms are 2 and 1. See, multiply 2, subtract 1. Which sign? You know that whenever last term is negative, last sign is negative, and middle terms are 1 plus and 1 minus. But which plus and which minus? Bigger number should get this sign, means plus 2, minus 2. Come on. X square plus 2x minus 1x minus 2 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. X common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus into plus is equal to 1 plus. Okay. So it is x plus 2, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 1 are the roots of the equation. My children, here I want to tell you one thing. After getting this equation, if you are unable to find the middle terms, by chance it did not click in your mind which are the middle terms, which are the factors, what do you do? Go for the formula method and complete it. Then also getting the same answer. Okay, my children, this is my last problem and let me complete this. Okay, come on. What is the first step? Go for the LCM. Go for the LCM. X minus 2, x minus 4 is the LCM. See here? This denominator, this LCM will come back. These two are same. Right? With this multiply here. That is x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus. See here. This denominator, this LCM mixture. X minus 4, x minus 4. What is left over? If this is with this multiply here, that is x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. This 10 by 3. Okay. Now my children, this is binomial to binomial, a very long multiplication. See very carefully. Okay. Let me start from here. X into x, x square. X into minus 4, minus 4x. Over. Start from here. Minus 1 into x, minus x. Minus 1 into minus 4, it is plus 4. See, binomial to binomial always gives you 4 terms. Got it. Now I will multiply this binomial to binomial. Come on. Plus. Start from here. X into x, x square. X into minus 2, minus 2x. Start from here. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into minus 2, plus 6, whole divided by, come on, binomial to binomial. Start from here. X into x, x square. X into minus 4, minus 4x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 4, plus 8 is equals to 10 by 3. Okay? Come on. Now the simplification is very, very important. X square and x square. These are the only two terms of degree 2. That is 1x square plus 1x square gives you 2x square. At the stage of class 10th also, students are making the mistakes. They will write x square plus x square is x raised to 4. Whenever you are adding the algebraic terms, add the coefficients only. X square coefficient 1, x square coefficient 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, x square remains as it is. Okay, but when you come to the x term, see 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms are there. 4 terms are of x. Come on. Minus 4, minus 1. This is minus 1. Minus 4, minus 1. Minus 5. Minus 5, minus 2. Minus 7. Minus 7, minus 3, minus 10. This is minus 10x. All are negative. So I have added it. Okay. What is that? Plus 4 and plus 6 gives you plus 10. Whole divided by, what is it? X square. These two are again like terms. Both are minus minus. It has to be added. Minus 6x plus 8 is equals to 10 by 3. Now it is cross multiplication. 3 into bracket 2x square minus 10x plus 10 is equals to 10 into bracket x square minus 6x plus 8. Okay? Okay? Let me continue multiply. 3 into 2x square. It is 6x square minus 30x plus 30. Minus 30x plus 30 is equals to 10x square minus 60x. 10x square minus 60x. 10 8s are 80 plus 80. Now listen to me, students. I have to transfer either these three terms to this side or these three terms to that side. But which way I have to transfer? See the x square term. Where x square term is bigger, the smaller terms all three can be transferred to the that side. Now compare 10x square, 6x square. First see the highest thing. This is bigger. So I will transfer these three terms to that side. 0 is equals to, okay, 10x square minus 60x plus 80 minus 6x square plus 30x minus 30, transferring from LHS to RHS. Come on, simplify it. These two, that gives you 4x square, 10 minus 6. These two, minus 60 plus 30. 1 plus and a minus, bigger number minus smaller number. 60 minus 30 gives you 30, give the sign of the bigger number. Minus 30x. Then 80 minus 30 plus 50 is equals to 0. I can take 2 as a common. 2 as a common. Into bracket 2x square minus 15x, 15 to the 30 plus 25 is equals to 0. Now again, what is it? Where this 2 will go? 2 will come here divided by 2 and becomes 0. Come on. Well, this much is left out. 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equals to 0. Okay. Again, don't ask where this 2 has gone. It has come here divided by 2. 0. If you multiply 50, if you add 50, multiply 50, add 15, very simple, 10 and 5 are the main terms. 10 5 are 50, on adding 15, but which sign? Last sign is positive, means both must be positive or both must be negative. Sign is negative here, so both must be negative. Come on. 2x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 25 is equals to 0. Grouping 2x common, x minus 5 minus 5x common, x sign will change because minus is common, minus 5 is equals to 0. See, very heavy problem it is. This is very heavy problem. In the examination they give you 4 marks. Okay? It is now x minus 5 is a common term. I can write x minus 5 into 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. I can write x minus 5 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. X is equals to plus 5. It is 2x is equals to plus 5 and x is equals to 5 by 2 are the roots of the equation. My dear children, this is how we can factorize. We can factor or you can find the factors. Whenever the equations are not in the quadratic form, reduce them to the quadratic form. Reduce them to the quadratic form and solve it. This is all about your factorization, not the quadratic equation. So tomorrow in my next video, I will teach you a very important part which is called as nature of roots. Nature of roots. They are called as roots. They are called as roots. I am teaching you the nature of roots. What are the different types of roots you are going to get when a quadratic equation is solved? That we will discuss in the next video. Till then, goodbye students. Take care. Be at home. Stay at home. Be safe. Bye.